Welcome back to ray diagrams, the second part. This one deals with ray diagrams with lenses, converging and diverging lenses. You only need to draw two rays, the principal axis ray. I use the LE. Some people will use the AL, so don't get confused. Then draw the center of lens ray for both of them, and then draw your image just like you did for the mirrors. Still, if it's upside down, it's a real image. If it's upright, it's a virtual image. You're still going to do the pretty much the same way. Writing instrument, preferably pencil. Straight edge of some sort. And so let's look at this. Okay, I have a converging. Oh, that looks like a magnifying glass, doesn't it? Okay. The focal point will be here, so it's over here. Okay, I've got my image. So the first thing I'm going to draw, remember this is a lens, so it's going to go through. So you want to kind of get it right here, get it parallel, okay? Then draw a line to the center of the lens, okay? So it's like this. Then the next step is through the focal point. So you notice I put my writing instrument here, and then there it is right there. There we go. Didn't look right. Okay. And then I draw a line. Sometimes you might have to get a little creative how long your lines are. So you notice principal axis goes from the top of the image parallel to your principal axis. Okay, there's that ray. And then it cuts down through your focal point. Now the next one is the center of lens. So put your right instrument in the middle of the lens right here. Okay, so I got my pivot point. Move your straight edge till it's to the top of the image. Okay, and then once you have that, there it is right there. Ooh. Okay, and then okay, we need the image. Okay, you notice my intersection is below the principal axis, so I'm going to draw the arrow up, the V pointed toward the axis, and like that. And there's my image. Okay, it's upside down, so it's real. Okay. Now, what if it's inside the focal point? Are we going to do anything different? No. You're still going to draw a principal axis ray. Okay. Parallel to the principal axis. Okay, just like that. Okay, that's nice parallel. And then through the focal point. Okay. Now let's do the center of lens. So I'll put my right there. Okay, I'm going to draw. I can see right here. These not going to connect here, are they? Well, they've got to connect somewhere if I'm going to have an image. Well, so let's go backwards, remember? So I'm going to do this, kind of get this, and then kind of got these things too close. But a lot of times on paper, there would be plenty of room for you to, got a little lucky. Now there are some nice websites out there for ray diagrams and practice that are free. So just type in a search, ray diagrams, either mirror or lenses. Okay, there's my intersection approximately right there. Okay, I'm going to draw this. Okay, remember the opening points towards my, okay, try to get as straight as possible. There we go. That went bad. And it's up right there for it's virtual. Okay, but you can see principal axis, boom, and then the center of lens. Now, are we going to do anything different for a diverging mirror? No. Okay, the first thing, now if you get into optometry, guess what you're going to be looking at? You're going to be looking at these equations probably until you're blue in the face or, okay, we're going to go here. Now the focal point is right there, so it doesn't go down here. So we go to the center of the lens, right here. Okay, and then we know it doesn't bounce like that, but it actually diverges out this way, right? That's the reason why it's called a diverging lens. It's spreading your waves out. Okay, there's my, now we need the center of lens. So we're going to put right instrument right in the middle of the lens. Just put it right there, much easier. Draw your line out. Okay, and then we're going to go here. Okay. Okay, there's my intersection right here. Okay, it's upright. Virtual. That is an arrow. Okay, looks like a little mushroom, doesn't it? Okay, now let's look. What if we're inside the focal point? Are we going to do anything different on these? No, you still draw your two rays. That's the reason why I try to do these, to make you as make it as consistent as possible. Okay, it's going to go out this way. Gotta look here, and then come back here. Okay, goes to your focal point. The next one is the center of lens. Okay, put your right here. Now some people may say put it right there. I like to put in the center of the lens. You can get a little bit better point. Okay, and it's going to go through here. And there's my intersection right here. Okay, it's still upright. Okay, so that makes it easy. It's upright, it's virtual. Okay, but you can see with our lenses, the focal point for the converging lens, or I call it the magnifying glass lens, or the microscope lens, is on the other side of your image. Now we could, some teachers will be mean and put it on the other side. You're just going to look at these in reverse. And then with a diverging lens, the focal point is right here. And you kind of look at, these are just two of the mirrors put together with the lens through. Okay, so remember, principal axis ray, parallel to the principal axis, center of lens. It works for both of them. And then anytime you see an intersection, there's your image. Let me give you a little hint. There's going to be a spot when you do a converging lens, actually, and also a converging mirror, that these two lines will be parallel. Therefore, will be no image. I'm going to let you kind of work that out. There's, like I said, there's some websites out there. Just do a search on ray diagrams and enjoy.